Carbon monoxide is an odorless, invisible gas that is found in exhaust fumes and can kill you in minutes. Positioning your generator correctly can help keep you and your loved ones safe. Never place your unit underneath any portion of your RV or trailer. Carbon monoxide can gather and leak into populated spaces. Also, never place your unit near any windows, doors, or vents. Always position your generator far from any combustible materials, with the prevailing winds carrying the exhaust fumes away from you and your campsite.